there, WRX family! Today, we're upgrading the VB24 by removing the factory top mount intercooler and installing the HDi Front Mount Intercooler Kit, zero cutting, zero welding, 100% reversible, designed in Australia, proven worldwide. HDi Front Mount Intercooler piping is uniquely designed routes from the throttle body through between the battery and under AC lines, no bonnet hitting, eliminate of chances of short circuit to the battery positive, then past the washer fluid bottle, reaches the HDi front mounted intercooler, sweeps around the fog lamp pocket, finally rejoins the turbo outlet via an HDi reinforced silicone hose. First, we proceed to remove the turbo outlet pipe. When disconnecting the pipe, gently lift off the spring clip at the opening. We'll be transferring this clip to the HDi custom turbo outlet pipe later. Cover the turbo outlet with a clean towel to prevent debris from falling in. Next, we remove the factory airbox. Take care to detach the MAF sensor during removal. Then we can remove the factory top mount intercooler. Keep all necessary hardware from the disassembly, and then we're ready to begin installing the front mount intercooler. Note that the HDi GTRS2 Pro intercooler is a 150mm dual super thick core that tug perfectly under the crush bar, which make it street legal. Yet it still allows huge surface area open to the radiator, which helps prevent overheating. First, we install the HDi intercooler. We'll install the HDi custom bracket first, then install the intercooler itself. Make sure to keep everything hand tight for best adjustments. When installing the piping, fit the Viton seals into the connector and apply a light amount of lubrication. Next, we install the piping on the engine intake side. Use HDi patented clamp to secure the connector. Latch one side first, then firmly snap the other side in as shown, and install pipe SP213. Gently bend up the AC lines as shown. Transfer the wiring from under the AC lines to the other side as shown. When installing the piping, first connect the pipes ALP214 and ALP215. It will be easier to install them together as one. Then, install the engine intake manifold adapter. Make sure install the O-rings inside. Connect the pipe ALP220 to the adapter ring. Secure ALP220 manifold inlet pipe with the clamp. And finally use the HDi reinforced silicone hose SP216 to connect between the pipe ALP220 and ALP215. This completes the pipes on the engine intake side. On the other side, we start with the airbox. The HDi intercooler kit comes with a high flow intake airbox kit. First, mount the HDi MAF adapter ALP228 and the custom mounting brackets to the custom airbox. Then connect reinforced silicone hose SP221 to the turbo inlet. Carefully install the MAF sensor onto the HDi MAF adapter. Connect the HDi MAF sensor extension harness and attach the other end of SP221 to the ALP228. This completes the airbox installation. Next, we install the piping on the turbo outlet side. Connect SP219 to the front mount intercooler. Then join the pipes ALP217A and ALP217B to the SP219 reinforced silicon hose, securing ALP217A with the HDi custom bracket. Transfer the seal and spring clip from the OEM turbo outlet pipe onto HDi turbo outlet pipe, ALP212, then push the ALP212 onto the turbo outlet until it locked in. Finally, use reinforced silicon hose SP218 to connect between ALP212 and ALP217B, completing the turbo outlet side piping. The kit also includes a Teflon vacuum line and an optional HDi high tensile strut bar to install. An optional crush bar spacer kit can be purchased if an aftermarket radiator is installed, or you are planning to install the aftermarket radiator, and the shock absorbing foam can be trimmed as shown in the video to make up the space distance. Reinstall the bumper cover, crash beam, and under tray. This completes our front mount intercooler setup, and we're ready for a test drive.